If you'd like to upgrade your home theater sound without drilling any holes in your ceiling or turning your living room into the speaker version of Stonehenge, then you'll be pleased to know that with the help of a Dolby Atmos Soundbar, you can enjoy truly immersive film screenings from the comfort of your home without any clutter or dodgy DIY. Hello guys, welcome to Gadget 10. We've got the top 5 Dolby Atmos Soundbars for you today. You can buy it at the link in the description below the video. Number 5. Roku Streambar. It's a soundbar with true stereo sound and a Roku streaming player built in. It's producing cinematic sound and powerful 4K streaming all in one. Hear every detail with Dolby Audio as premium driver boost volume and clarity, and listen in awe as virtual surround fills your room with sound. Upgrade any TV with America's #1 TV streaming platform and enjoy customizable home screen with your favorite channels front and center. What you love in brilliant picture quality, and stream your favorite music in studio quality sound. Use the voice remote to control your TV streaming and out. Plus, set personal shortcuts for one-touch control. There's even a lost remote finder. And you can easily expand for even bigger sound. Roku Streambar Pro, it's the ultimate 2-in-1 entertainment upgrade happy streaming. Number 4. Sennheiser Ambeo 3D Soundbar. Sennheiser is best known for its range of headphones and professional microphones, but it recently extended its ambitions to home audio as well with the introduction of its new Ambeo soundbar. Hear the future of home cinema in one beautiful bar: 6 long throw woofers producing extreme 30Hz bass, 5 high-end tweeters for high-fidelity sound, 2 top-firing speakers for a vertical sound field, advanced room calibration for a tailor mode sound. Using the latest virtualization technology, compatible with Dolby Atmos MPEG-H and DTS. Immersive 5.1.4 studio-grade sound. A personalized experience with smart control app. Sennheiser clearly has its sights set on the home cinema market with the Ambeo, although the bar's Wi-Fi connectivity means that it can double up as a pretty impressive music system as well. Number 3. Sonos Arc. The Sonos Arc is a Dolby Atmos soundbar with 11 drivers at various angles for projecting sound upwards as well as out to your left and right. Its custom woofer provide rich bass and clear vocals. Precisely anglet tweeters ensure wall-to-wall coverage. Exceptionally engineered and designed to fit your home. Instead of the noise seeming like it's coming from a speaker, it's projecting from the entire wall, spanning the full width and height to the room. If you want to go with a full surround experience, you can add 2 smaller Sonos units, such as Sonos One SL, as wireless rear speakers. The audio quality is just fantastic. No matter whether you're watching movies or listening to music, this is a full multi-room speaker, with streaming via the Sonos app or Apple AirPlay 2. Everything is finely balanced, including totally clear dialogue, even without the speech enhancer option, and beautifully smooth. Number 2. Samsung HW-Q950A. While the number of audio channels a home cinema sound system has isn't everything, it certainly helps. It's fair to say, then, that Samsung's HW-Q950A soundbar hits the ground running by delivering no less than 16 separate channels of sound's well-built 11.1.4 setup, comes with a wireless subwoofer and 2 satellite speakers. Infinite sound immersive with Neo QLED keep the TV speakers on so they work in perfect harmony with Q Symphony. When you activate Q Symphony, fascinating you with 3D surround jarring sound. The mix between Neo QLED and N950A analyzes the space you're in. Space Fit Sound Plus automatically provides the right sound for your space. Other interesting features of the HW-Q950A are incredibly smart and easy pairing. You just tap sound and play your music with a simple tap. Built-in voice assistant with Alexa so you can control the soundbar with your voice. And lastly, in terms of design, this is a premium design with a sublime texture that melts into any interior. Create for the best, a perfect match for Neo QLED. Number 1. Sony HT-A7000. The Sony HT-A700 delivers a broad and high soundstage. The HT-A7000 has 7.1.2 channels, 2 up-firing speakers for overhead sound, 2 beam tweeters, a built-in dual subwoofer for deep bass, and 5 front speakers for wider surround. It has a vertical surround engine and horizontal Sound S-Force Pro front surround. The Sony HT-A700 delivers a supreme surround sound broad and high soundstage, whether you're watching immersive content or not, while retaining musicality, presence, and detail. Stream your way with wireless connection and produce deep bass. A wider sweet spot lets everyone have the best seat in the house. Sound field optimization to detect speakers and noise. It also can detect position. Optimize the sound to your room, best with Sony TV, acoustic center sync, connect to cable. HDMI connection also required. It also supports smart voice control, works with OK Google and Alexa. The Sony HT-A7000 is an outstanding, future-proofed, all-in-one performer with excellent integration if you have a newer Sony Bravia TV. And it also can stream music over Apple AirPlay 2 or Bluetooth.